Right now I'm going to show you how to put your threaded insert into your plastic parts. So these are the ABS plastic. This also works with acrylic in the same way. These holes were designed with just a slight interference with the outer knurls, the outer diameter formed by the knurls on this brass insert. And you'll see there's actually a top and a bottom, so we'll look close. Probably it's focusing better if you put it on the table. So this bottom area is an area that gets inserted. It has slightly smaller diameter, and the top area is slightly bigger. So we'll go ahead and warm this up and see how long it takes to get warm. But this is, I think, a 40-watt iron, and it has the McMaster car part that's designed specifically for putting these threaded inserts in. And the idea is you should not have to force the insert in. Basically, the weight of this plus slightly more should let it in once it's hot enough. So when the iron's not hot enough, like right now, you're gonna see I can push down on it and it doesn't start to go. Once the iron is hot, the brass only takes about 3 or 4 seconds to actually heat up when this is full temperature here. Now it's starting to sink in, but it's still fairly cold. So I'm gonna let go and show you how it goes when it's fully hot. And also note that you need this shoulder to have clearance with that area of your plastic so that you don't melt it while you're inserting this thing. So just steer clear of that. You should have just enough clearance. Okay, so try to hold it as vertical as possible, and it's just gonna sink in. I like to press it in just shy of flush. It may sometimes it rises a little bit on its own as the plastic is cooling, and then I'll push it down just a second time. If you push the whole thing in just beyond flush, then you know that your mating part can get clamped all the way down to the plastic instead of being stopped when it reaches the metal top. Okay.